How to enable competitions and concerts notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable competitions and concerts notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and then just click this settings, this icon settings here in the top corner, and then click notifications. Then scroll down until you find here competitions and concerts, and if you want to enable it, just click on it. And as you see, competitions and concerts have been enabled. Now all you need to do is just wait 2 days and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.